In your spreadsheet, we're going to make some titles to match the assignment for this week. So leave this first column blank, and then column B, you'll put in words, column C, definition, column D, etymology, column E, citation. After this, we want to make sure those titles, and we're going to add more each week, still show up when we scroll down. So we need to freeze this title line. We also want to freeze the A and B column so that as far as we scroll over here, we can still see our original word list here. So what we'll do is we'll highlight this row, go to View, Freeze, one row, and then View, Freeze, two columns. Now those are frozen, and no matter how far we scroll down, we'll always see them. What I'm going to do next is start entering each word in order into my Google Doc. So I'll go the COVID-19 pandemic is, and so on. After I've entered all the words, I'm going to delete any duplicate words. So here's 2 and 2. I'll take out this 2. Here's A and A. I'll take out this A. Also, before we continue, I would recommend taking any extremely modern words like COVID-19 or CDC, acronyms and things like that, and bold them for now because they're not going to show up in our etymological dictionaries. The last thing I would do before we start looking up words on the etymological dictionary is going through and see if you have any compound words or words with prefixes and suffixes or words that have been conjugated or have possessives. And you might want to make a note. For example, if you look up committed in the etymological dictionary, it may not have it. What it wants is for you to look up the word commit as a verb. And so you may want to make a note in our blank column, or you could make a insert by right-clicking and insert a row below and put the word commit in parentheses. Another example here is strengthening. That is actually strength with the suffix en, strengthen, to make it a verb, and then strengthening to conjugate the verb. So I'm going to insert 2 rows here and put those 2 breakdowns. That way, in case the dictionary doesn't have strengthening, which I happen to know it won't, I'll be able to look up strength when that became a word and strengthen when that became a word. So what I'm most concerned about right now is not the definition. We're going to actually look up the etymology first. And to do that, we're going to use 2 etymological dictionaries, both online.